Welcome to Linux Help tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to install NetData in CentOS 7. NetData is a performance monitoring tool for your Linux machine. By using this tool, we can able to monitor our system performance like CPU usage, memory usage, and disk usage, etc. Now let's see how to install NetData on your Linux machine. First of all, we need to install some required packages for NetData. Now run the following command to install those packages. Now type this command and then hit enter. Now the package is installing. Wait for some time. After installing the packages, we need to clone the NetData from JIT. Now run the following command to clone the NetData. Now type this command and then hit enter. Now it's completed cloning. Now move to the directory called NetData. Here you can see in this directory we have a script file called netdata-installer.sh. Now we need to run the script file to install NetData for your system. Now run the following command / and then name for the script file. Now hit enter. Now hit enter to install NetData and wait for some time. If you get error like this while installing NetData, means you can run the following command. This is nothing but we need to install the package. Now run the following command yum space install space and now the package name space -y and then hit enter. Now the package is installing. Wait for some time. Now the install process is completed. Now let's run the script again to install NetData. Now hit enter and hit enter again. Now wait for some time until the process is completed. Now here you can see NetData is successfully installed. We can access the web console for NetData by using this link address with the port number. This is the default port number for NetData. Here you can see this command will start NetData and then this command will stop NetData. You can use it for starting and stopping NetData. If you want to access the NetData's web console from another system, means you need to add the firewall rule to allow the NetData port number in the firewall. Now run the following command to enable the NetData port. Now type this command and then hit enter and then type this command to reload firewall. Now all things is configured. Next open your browser and now use this link address to access the web console for NetData. If you want to access it from your local machine, means you can use this link address, or if you want to access it from another machine, means you need to type the IP address for the machine where NetData is installed instead of this localhost. Now type it and then hit enter. Here you can see the web console for NetData. Here you can able to see your CPU performance. This is the load and disk usage, RAM usage, SAP memory and network, processes, interrupts and etc. This is the total overview of your system. If you want to see the performance for the particular thing, means you can choose here CPU, load, disk, RAM, swap, network, and etc. There are lots of options available. So that's all about for this tutorial. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.